This is an example of how dynamic arrays will revolutionize Excel modeling. This financial model is built entirely from dynamic arrays. It is complete with an income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. It also has an incredible depreciation schedule. This depreciation schedule spills from one function in one cell. This one function is called depreciate, and is an example of a 5G function. 5G functions look and feel like native Excel functions, so anyone with basic Excel skills can use them. Let us see how. We key the function's name and provide the values it asks for. They include each asset's acquisition cost, in-service date, life in years, and our model's timeline. Optionally, we can also provide each asset's salvage value, disposal date, disposal cost, and depreciation method. This one function then creates a dynamic array from which our cash flow statement can pull capital expenditures and sales of assets. Our income statement can pull depreciation amounts and sale of assets, and our balance sheet can pull depreciation and book value. This is a glimpse of what the dynamic array revolution will make possible. Want to learn more? Visit 5gmodeling.com. Viva la revolución!